Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel, that's Segura Trade. Here we will talk about swing trade and technical analysis. Today we will analyze the Bitcoin. We had a huge dump today. It was a huge surprise for many people, but we will see that it was not something unnatural. It was expected that something like this would happen due to the region where the price was. Okay, so today we will analyze at least 8 cryptocurrencies that we are taking a look. We are paying attention to that, and eventually we would pass great calls with those cryptocurrencies. Okay, so guys, let's go to these cryptocurrencies. Let's start with Bitcoin. Okay guys, well, what we have here on Bitcoin, okay, I will analyze the long term. I will show you that we are inside of this upward channel here. Okay, I'm really bullish with Bitcoin, and I believe that we are going to $50,000 in a few months. Okay, due to this triangle here. Okay, we have this triangle here that we are almost breaking out. Okay, so analyzing the weekly chart, we can expect that if this triangle is a continuation pattern, we can expect that the price will continue going up, and eventually will reach the target of the triangle. So if we have about the projection of the triangle is about 900%. So with 900%, if we reach the 900% of target, we can expect that the price is going to about $50,000. Okay, so that's my target with Bitcoin. Okay, however, we are analyzing the weekly chart, so there is a huge way to go there. Okay, okay, that's it. What happened recently, guys? Note that we have an extremely strong resistance at this region here. Okay, I don't consider what we had today as a bear trap, because for me it only would be a bear trap if the price would be able to cross the 9,500 resistance. Okay, so what happened today? If the asset tried to cross the resistance in 900, oh sorry, not 900, sorry, $10,500. Okay, note that it was strong resistance 2 times in the past. At the first time the price dropped about 40%. The second time dropped down about 60%. So that's the third time that we are trying to cross this line. Okay, and the bears were there waiting to put the price down. So when the price came here and reached this region and did not have strength to pass to cross this region, was totally expectable that the bears come and push the price down. Okay. However, I'm still bullish. Okay. We did not lost this triangle yet, so I believe that while we are inside of this triangle, actually we lost the triangle. I would consider that while we are above this uptrend line, we are safe. However, we are close to pass through. Okay. So let me see. We have some important support for Bitcoin. Okay. We maybe are inside of this ascent triangle. It's one possibility. I don't know. Maybe the price will form here an ascent triangle. It's a possibility. Okay, and then come, okay, and then go up. I don't know. But the most important thing here is that due to the strength of the resistance, I wouldn't pass a call for you or for my clients below $10,500. Okay, I will only buy Bitcoin if it will be able to cross this region and close candles above this resistance on the daily chart, maybe the weekly chart. Okay, there is a strong dangerous to the price go up and then go down. It would be serious. Okay, for now we don't know yet. I'm not sure if we had a reversion in price. However, even if we have a reversion in price here, I still will be bullish if the price stay above $7,000. Okay, at this region here. That's the natural way for the price. Usually we have I believe that we had a wave 1 here, wave 2, wave 3, and we are inside of wave 4. That's what I believe. Okay, so I would buy it. On this region here. It's expectable if we have a correction of wave 3, or if cross 10,500. I don't recommend you to buy below that. It's too much risk. Okay, so let's go to another cryptocurrency that we are taking a look. We are paying attention. The second one is Nano. Why we are paying attention to that? My internet today is okay. Well, guys, note that we are inside of this downward channel. Okay, and recently it crossed out. It passed through this resistance line, stay a bit here for a few days, and then come back. We would buy it if it does a bullish pivot here. Okay, we would buy at this region. Would be a good buy here to stay long. Note that we have a strong support on this blue line here. Okay, so let's see what will happen if eventually maybe we would have a bear trap here. Would be a good buy here. That's our plan. The second one is Link. Well, I did not recommend it to buy Link here yet. Do it to, oops, sorry. Link was beautiful here. We had this huge triangle here. And the price did this type of bear trap on the support zone. However, I think that we had a double top here, so it's a bit weird here. So we decided to wait. And there is another factor here that is interesting about Link, is that on the pair dollar, if you pay attention, we are extremely close to the highest top, the historical top of Link. Okay, so there is a huge chance that we would see an inversion in price at this region. Again, we only recommend to buy Link if it crosses this region, and then if it does or a bull flag, or if it does a bullish pivot here with pullback to this red line, to the support zone. Okay, so let's go to the next one, Komodo. So Komodo is really interesting. Note, guys, we have this strong support in blue here. We have this strong support in blue. Seems that the price did a pullback to the red line, and it seems that it is doing a bull flag. On this region. If I'm right, and we have bull flag, we would recommend to buy it if it come down to the bottom of these rectangles. Look, we have a rectangle here. So the question is, the rectangle is a continuation pattern, okay? So as a continuation pattern, we would expect that the price will repeat the previous movement, okay? So the question is, where is the right place to buy Komodo? So we would recommend you to buy on the bottom of the rectangle, okay? That is the best way to buy. If it come here, if it does a reversion here, or if it does a reversion here, I'll change a bit visibility. Improve it. Okay. So the right place to buy Komodo, if it come down, at this region would be a good region to buy Komodo. Okay, we would put the target. We could use the extension of the previous movement, or we would use as a target the top of the triangle as well. Okay, so that's it, guys. Let's go to the next one. Alternate is beautiful. Okay, note on the daily chart. So where is the text? Okay, whatever. Well, Alternate is interesting. Note that we had a downtrend, and apparently it crossed an important downtrend line here at this region, this downtrend line. Okay, and it's forming a bull flag with this symmetrical triangle. Okay, and it is almost crossing, it's almost leaving the flag. So guys, do you know what is the flag? The flag is a profit realization. Okay, so what we had here, we had a strong movement here, and the price and the buyers and the bulls started to realize their profit. So they had an excellent profit here, about 40% of profits. So what will happen? You have a huge profit, and the people started to realize their profit. So you have a selling pressure here. So we started the process of correction, or what we understand about a flag. But eventually the process of profit realization finished, and the bulls eventually will push the price up again. So if we project the flag here, we can see a really interesting thing. Oops. Is that it seems that the price is going to the next resistance. Okay, so we could an excellent trade here. It's almost breaking out the price. I won't recommend that now because it's extremely late here in Brazil. But it seems that we are almost going out here. It would be an excellent recommendation. Okay, we could put the stop below the previous bottom with an excellent target. 8%. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Decreed. Wow. My internet is terrible today. Decreed Bitcoin. What we have here, we have this downtrend line here, and today the price had strength to cross it, so we could put a target on the next resistance zone. it seems that we lost it a bit the time because it pushed it. However, we could buy it if it does a bull flag. We prefer to wait a bit or a pullback to this zone here, and then we would buy like this. That would be the perfect moment, because we would have a short stop, low risk. Or if it does start to form a rectangle here or a triangle here, and then we would buy if it break out this region. Okay, so let's see tomorrow, the next days, maybe we would recommend it to my clients. Okay, Ethereum is really interesting. Okay, I will invite you to pay attention to this red line. Yeah, I believe that because I am recovering my screen, my laptop started to become a bit slowly. Well, that's it. Okay, that's it. Guys, we have this interesting downtrend line here on Ethereum. Okay, really interesting. And we also have this red line, which is a strong support level. Okay, note, we are almost breaking out. However, note that in the past we didn't have strength to pass through. Okay, and the price started to go down. Okay, and we lost it about 20%, 21%. Okay, but we are here again. If we have a good candlestick here, of course I will pass to my clients to buy. Okay, it will be that will be an excellent buy. Note that we will have a low stop here, 6% or 5% maybe, depending on what will happen. And where would be our target on Ethereum? Well, I believe that Ethereum is going to this resistance level here. That important region would be an excellent trade here. Note that we are about, oh sorry, that's it. We would have an excellent relation risk return. It's about 58% excellent. Okay, very good at this region. So Ethereum is really interesting. Fundamentally, I read that Ethereum is already the biggest blockchain cryptocurrencies. The blockchain of Ethereum is already bigger than Bitcoin because of the stable coins. I'll be honest with you, I need to study a bit more about that, but I know that fundamentally Ethereum is really good, so it's coherent to see the price with this huge potential of profit. So Ethereum is really good, really beautiful. Okay, so I will pay attention to that. I will recommend to my clients as well. And the last one is NEO, which is not so good to buy now. However, note that it was inside of one long-term downtrend, but recently it did a higher bottom and is close to this mirror level here. in red. So would be a good buy if it does a pullback to this red line. Would be a good buy here, a good point to buy at this region with excellent targets. Okay, so note we are almost in an uptrend. However, actually it is inside of, it is an accumulation, the daily chart. Okay, so I would prefer to wait for a pullback and then maybe go up. Okay, well guys, that's it. That's what I have for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel. I will analyze the market weekly, and you are welcome to follow me. I will leave here the link to my Telegram group, and there you can go there. We will talk. I will present you my my analysis, share with you my Tradingview analysis, and I also, if you want to have to receive recommendations of swing trade in cryptocurrencies, you are welcome to have private contact with me, and I will pass you my product. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Have a nice week, and that's it.